yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, blue color, blue color, red color, red color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring 2D shapes. Kids first draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids now draw pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use black color, black color. Kids now draw square, the shape of square, and use blue color, blue color. The shape of square, and use blue color, blue color. Kids now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use red color, red color. Kids now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use green color, green color. The shape of circle. Kids now draw trapezium, the shape of trapezium, and use white color, white color. The shape of trapezium. Kids today draw Easter, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, trapezium. Red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, green color, green color, white color, white color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids neither H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use yellow color, yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. It's again use yellow color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use blue color, blue color. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids again use blue color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use blue color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use black color. W for wolf, W for watch. X for x-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. White color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-W 3. Kids night 4. The numbers of 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6, and use yellow color, yellow color. S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E and 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. It's again use yellow color and draw 9. The numbers of 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E and 10. Kids neither 11. The numbers of 11, and here's blue color, blue color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. It's night of 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night of 16. The numbers of 16, and here's black color, black color. Seventeen. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18 and 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.